How to shop at Joann's or any fabric store. So first you're going to walk in and find the kind of fabric that you want. Usually if you're looking for normal quilting fabric, it's near the front of the store. And they should probably have a good selection of that. That's what we're seeing here. That's the section that I'm in. Once you find the kind of fabric or color that you are looking for, we're going to make sure that we know what the fabric is made of and how wide it is. So you can pull out the color that you want and then look at the end here, and that's going to have all this information. Right here circled is where it's going to say what type of fabric it is and the care instructions. Once you find as many bolts of fabric as you want, you're going to want to take those to the cutting counter. You can't just go to the checkout counter. The cutting counter is usually towards the center of the store, and that's where I'm heading now, and most places want you to take a number.